Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm looking for a Ken I can't find. He's still boxed, but where is he? And that's not going to do for the Barbie either. So I'm going to have to search for a different Barbie and Ken. Why? Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and Irene from Irene Doll Space and I are hosting the Boy doll for the month. And this month is going to be Ken with Barbie Valentine, or Ken with whoever you want. It could be a Rainbow High or Blythe doll or what the heck, great big Barbie. Why not? The challenge is on the 25th of each month. So it's February 25th, and that's 10 a.m. Central Time. Please go by and see Irene, Gosha, and Cynthia today because they're going to have invitations and they'll probably have their dolls all sorted out. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.